Okay guys, so I have to get that mirror going on here. We just got our new book shipment in, so we're going to go over what is in it. These will be coming to the shelf soon. Our cataloger has to do their mysterious cataloging stuff, and that is what we are going to go through today. Sorry guys, we're just having a little bit of technical difficulties. Feel free to ask any questions while I'm going through with this. This is the first book from the box. Okay, I don't like this new mirroring option, but we'll go with it. This first one is Blessed Breeze by Joanne DiMaio. Salt Air Secrets by Joanne DiMaio. Stony Point Summer by Joanne DiMaio. Must have ordered an entire series. Castaway Cottage by Joanne DiMaio. And remember, you can interrupt me at any time to, ask a question. I will answer them. So hey, how many of you guys have been to a library recently? Here is The Wait by Joanne DiMaio. Okay, since I got a fairly decent amount of you guys, give me a smiley face if you have been to a library within the last year, and give me a crying face if you haven't. I'm kind of curious. Happy face for having been to a library within a year, and crying face for if you haven't. Okay, this next one is The Catbird Seat by Rebecca Hollingsworth. I wonder. Nope, another one that doesn't match. We're always on the lookout for books that their covers are the same as their dust jackets, because then we can take off the dust jackets. Kay Correll, The Wind Chime Beach. Remember folks, happy smiley face if you have been to a library within the last year. Crying face if you haven't been to a library within the last year. I really need to dye my hair again. Okay, this one is Kay Correll, The Perks of Being a Parker. Body on Fire, The Anti-Inflammatory Cookbook. Kay Correll's Grace Parker's Peach Pie. Where did everyone go? Don't forget, feel free to ask me questions. I'm more than willing to answer just about anything to do with the library. If I don't know the answer, I will track down the answer for you. The next one is Joan DiMaio's The Goodbye. And all of these books will be available on our shelves as soon as the cataloger and the label person get them done. So it won't take long. They're very quick at it. Joan DiMaio, Every Summer. Kay Carell, The Parker Family Secret. So, just so you guys know, our summer reading program is going to be starting up on Monday. Not summer. Our winter reading program. I've been thinking about the summer reading program because we're doing planning for it. No, our winter reading program starts on Monday. We're having a pizza party here starting at 1 o'clock. You'll be doing all of your recording via the Beanstack app. If you have any questions about that, just let us know. We can help you get it set up. What is going on? I don't know. TikTok confuses me. Back to the books. Joan DeMaio, Little Beach Bungalow. So our winter reading program is going to be starting on Monday. We're going to start off with a pizza party. There's going to be prizes, I do believe, every week. And I'm not even entirely certain what they are. They haven't told us yet. But it's good stuff. Other things coming up, Monday we're also having a speaker come in talking about wills. So, might be interested in that. Let's get back to the books. Joan DeMaio, Beach Blues. Got a lot of her books. Kay Carell, The Parker Woman. Joan DeMaio, Night Beach. Kay Carell, the Heather Parker original. My mother would hate this book. Oh, I think this is going into the teen department. Anne Frank writes Words of Hope. Is that a teen or junior? Not entirely certain. Bully-proof yourself and your kids. We're almost to the end. Again, don't feel afraid to ask me any question. I will find out the answer. I work at a library in Clinton, Indiana, West Central Indiana. So let's see, Gorilla Green, the Urban Survival Guide. Oh, cool, it's a comic. 3 more left and then we'll be done. Joanne DeMaio, Shore Road. Joanne DeMaio, The Beach Inn. And last but not least, Joan DeMaio, The Beachgoers. So, yeah, that's all of the books that came in with this order. They will be on the shelves eventually. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, comments, DMs. We will try and answer them. Reminder that our winter reading program is starting on Monday. We have a speaker coming in about wills coming in on Monday. Our next big event is going to be the Bunny Hop in the end of March. So check out our Facebook page for more information. Bye guys.